together help to keep class sizes low and test scores high.
And help us keep our favorite teachers. Protect bus service to and from school. And eliminate deficit spending. Deficit spending? Our board is fiscally responsible.
We have a double A1 bomb waiting for Moody's. That's the best school district to have.
SchoolDigger.com ranked us #1 in Missouri. But did you know in the past 2 years we had to cut $7 million?
That's scary. I can't take it. And we've seen a cumulative loss.
A cumulative loss of $14 million since 0708. 14 million, that's a lot of allowance money. Keep Weimar strong. Vote for November 2nd.
Stronger than my daddy?
Stronger than that.
Help us have the same opportunities of the class of 2010.
Remember, Prop L. Prop L. Prop L. Please vote for November 2nd.
Thank you!